Welcome back. In the last video, we discussed how we can show filament resource table in the model pop-up, right? We did that in the last video. So in this video, we are going to see how we can use this global source feature in different ways, right? So the first thing, the simplest way to use it is in every resource, we just need to define our title attribute name. So we need to define this. It works for two things, right? So first it will help us in the source, and the second, if I click on this, you can see the slug, the URL slug is changed on the basis of that, right? It will be the product name and this. If I try to remove this, let's say, let me just comment, and if I just clicked it, see, it's directly all products and edit. So you can use any of your attribute name here that is in your database. So now in this, what I am going to do is, whenever I am searching, let's say I am searching for this product, I am getting the results, and if I click, I am in the edit page. I am okay with this. But now let's say whenever I search for this product, what I need to get is, there are some details of this product. So like, what's its current stock, so I can just get in my search box, and its price, selling price, right? So these are the most frequently used in any system, so that they don't have to go to the page and check that. So for that, so let's me first show you the some code related to them, and then we'll move further there, right? So if I go to product here, I have appends the current stock, right? So if I go to get current stock attribute, I have the method. So this method will get my transactions, and from that transactions it will just add the all the quantities, right? And in the transaction table, the quantities will be saved for each transaction, meaning that either it's sale or purchased, everything will be saved in the transaction table, and from that transaction table it is calculating the base unit quantity. It has many stock transaction, right? And this is one thing. And the next thing, regarding the units, so for this, a product can have multiple units and then multiple price. So if I click on it, and let me go through the pricing, here its base unit is tablet, and it has the base price 1, and then the other units are like stripe. Here is another unit, right? So it will be multiplied by 10 for the base unit always, so its price will be always 10. And similarly, unit box will be multiplied by 100. So this way it is calculating the different units, right, and their price per unit. So now I want to show, if I search for this product here, I want to show all that details, its stock, and the next thing is its all units with its price. So for that, what we can do is, okay, we can use this way. We have the global source result details. So let me quickly show you this thing. So if you try this, and then let me just add dummy data, right? Okay, testing test 2, it's also testing test 2. Okay, refresh this, and let me try to source this. Yeah, here you can see the first one is key, and then the value r can be shown like this, right? So you may be clear now. If I want to show the stock, what I need to do, I just need to pass record current stock, that's it. This will pass me the current stock. If I let me try, and let me yeah, I have the current stock 10. You can see in the table too, the current stock is 10. Now the part is for pricing. So for pricing I need to run the query, right, because I can't get the price like this. So what I will do is, let me just create a new array. Let's say details equals to, and I will pass this array to here, right, and let me just return details. I have not done anything. I have just done the same thing in 2 ways. Now what I will do is, for each $record has the relation unit as, let's say, unit, right. So record units. So if I go to product, and product has units, which is product unit, and in product unit there is a method get price, which will determine the price automatically. There is already a method, so I just need to call this method and everything will work. So now what I can do is, so for now details, here I want to show the unit name, right, unit. Oh, it's suggesting good things today, right, test, just for a second. So what I have done, unit, you may be confused why I am using 2 units, because I am in product unit, and product unit belongs to unit. It's the product unit, means the relation between product and unit, right. So let me just show you up to here. Let's say what is the result. Yeah, here you can see I got those 3 units here. That is what we want, right. Now here I don't need to do anything. I just need to call unit, and I already have a method that will calculate the price on the basis of the conversion factor. So that's it. If I refresh here, and if I now try to search it, yeah, price 10, tablet 1, sorry, stock 10, tablet 1, stripe 10, and box 100. That's it. And if I can, what I can do here is dot per, or not like this, let's say price per, and then this, right. Let me just concat this, price per unit name, and then its price, RA. Yeah, price per tablet, price per stripe, price per box. That's it. So and there are all other things. And then the thing here is, like, I am loading units, right. So I can also either load it. So for that, what I can do is, I just need to call the method, and then I can do units, and then also units dot unit, so that it will be one for product units, and the second relation is for product units unit, because I am using both this relation here. So it will load the data fast, and I don't have to stuck on the n+1 problem, right. So if I try it again, yeah, the same thing is here. So here are other result, like where you want to navigate. You can check this here. You can also customize per resource, or you can also customize it as a global result, right, from the panel. You can do a lot of things here. You can check out this. I will put the link in the description. Thank you.